Yo, so in this video, we're going to be installing a MOEN FLO device. Customer supplied it. It's on 1.25" pipe. And there is a 1-inch line that branches off that's feeding a fire suppression system. So customer bought it. I'll throw it in. The only thing is that the phone died when I was recording. And so about 3/4 of the way in, you have like a little gap that's missing where I'm actually putting in the MOEN FLO, but you'll see during the installation I put in like this riser, or not a riser, like a spacer. It's black, and MOEN supplies that, so when you're plumbing in the water line, you can put that spacer in, get everything perfect, and then once everything's done, you remove it, and then you can put in the new MOEN FLO device. So you'll see in the video. And yeah, man, let me know if you install a lot of these, if you prefer a different shutoff valve. There's a variety out there. I don't ever supply them. I'll just throw them in if the customer wants, and I think it came out pretty good.